Mediate2Go is a case manager, but it is also a CRM, also known as Customer Relationship Management. What this means is it tracks information about all of the individuals you work with. Within Mediate2Go, we call these parties. In the left-hand navigation, if we click down at parties, you will see a list of all of the individuals that have been assigned to a case that you've worked or that you just want to track for your practice. Creating a new party is simple. You just go to parties and click on new party, and then you can enter the desired information. You can see there's general information by default. However, you can go into settings and customize the party information to track fields that are important for the types of mediation or the type of practice that you operate. Once you create a party, you can then go into them and you'll see all of the cases that they've been involved with, the secure messages that have been sent to this individual, and then any other details about them, such as their custom field information. Once you've created parties, they can then be used within cases, so you don't have to re-enter that information twice. It also means that you can update an individual once, and their details will be corrected instantly across the entire system. As always, you can search within the system. So if I want to search for an individual with the name Cole, I can find Rocky Cole right here. And there we have it. Parties are an important part of Mediate2Go, and you can see how simple it is to track your parties within the system.